Got Barf Belch, Whip and Lash, and it looked like Edge Nadder. Yep. Waiting for the day I get Barf Belch. Oh, it's Barf Belch, Hideous Zippleback, and Edge Nadder. Just about to say I'm waiting for the day I get Barf Belch, Hideous Zippleback, and Whip and Lash. I don't think I've ever had that combo. Gonna go after Hideous Zippleback first, since he's got the area of effect attack, and I like that they're going after Sleuther. Take him out, give me an extra energy bar to use somewhere in this fight. I'm going to power up Dagger Skrill here in preparation for them taking out Cloud Jumper. And leaving me to blast through both of them. There we go.